Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make your mic sound like trash, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. For this, it is recommended to have an old Logitech camera. It's not necessary, but if you have one, it makes the audio sound even more distorted. The first step is to search for Run here. In the Run prompt, search for Control. Let's select Hardware and Sound, then go to Sound. A pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, go to the Recording tab, and here all your microphones should appear, as I mentioned before. If you have the camera mic, that's better, but either way, if you don't have the camera mic, do the following. Double-click on your microphone, and then in this pop-up, go to Levels and turn it up to 100. If another option appears below, you should turn that up to 100 or the maximum as well. Now, go to Advanced. Here, choose the one with the lowest hertz. In my case, it's this one, then click Apply. If you have the camera mic, you do the exact same thing, and that's it. You are going to use it on Discord. Make sure to turn off the noise suppression, which is in Settings, then Voice and Video. That's it. You are done.